Hello everybody and welcome to the beginning of the new Python for Ethical Hacking course. Now in this course we will be coding our own tools that we covered in the Ethical Hacking course. Now for some of you that are coming basically first to this course and didn't watch any other Ethical Hacking courses instead of this one, I'll make sure to make this course beginner friendly and explain everything as we go. We will start off by actually installing our environment, setting up our Kali Linux machine, which if you are not a beginner and you actually watch some of the ethical hacking courses, you probably already have the Kali Linux machine installed, so you can skip the introductory part and go right into the coding section. Now, what we will be doing in this course is, as it says, we will be coding some of our own tools that we will use for our ethical hacking attacks. Now, if you take, for example, any ethical hacking course, it consists of scanning, enumeration, basically exploitation, backdoors, keyloggers, brute forcers, and any other attacks on the websites, for example. There are lots of other things as well, but all of those things you actually perform with tools that other people created. Right now, what we want to do is actually code some of our own tools and make them useful for our future attacks. So, we will start off by coding some of the port scanners. For example, we will try to create something similar to the nmap. We will start off our attack by scanning the port, scanning the target, checking out for the banners for the versions of software running on the target system on an open port. And then we will proceed to actually exploitation and attacking, brute forcing SSH, for example, brute forcing FTP, and other protocols as well. We will also code the reverse shell, which if you're coming from my previous ethical hacking course for beginners to advanced, you probably already have an idea what the reverse shell is, since I covered it in that course. But right now, what we will do with that reverse shell, we will take and add some different functions and try some different things with it, as well as actually maintaining everything we did in the ethical hacking course. Now, if you didn't watch that, don't worry, I will cover everything from the beginning in that program, and we will also cover everything in great details, as I will try to explain it the best even for the users who don't know anything about Python. Now the thing is, I will not be actually showing you the how to code in Python. Basically this is not a Python course, but I will, however, explain everything as we go and code our own tools. Since actually coding or teaching you how to code in Python will take a lot of our time, I will tell you everything that we are going through in great details. So don't worry, even if you don't have any previous experience, you can still attend this course and you can learn a lot from it. Now, as I said, we will start off by actually creating our virtual environment. We will need the Kali Linux machine. We will need the VirtualBox program as well. Now, the Kali Linux machine is where we will actually run our attacks, where we will code our own tools, where we will compile them and run them. It is good to say, or I should say actually, that you can also run all of these attacks on Windows, or not run, you can actually code on Windows if you want to. If you, for example, have Python on Windows, you can actually code all of these tools in Windows environment. Now, if we run into something that can't be run into the Windows environment, I will make sure to actually say that before we start coding. But for you to best follow this course, I would advise you to actually download Kali Linux, or if you have it, you can just run it up. For those of you who don't have it, I will show you in the next sections, or basically in the next videos, how you can download and install your Kali Linux machine. Right after that, we'll go straight into the port scanning section, where I will teach you how you can actually code your own port scanner. So that would be about it for this introductory part. I hope you will enjoy this course. I hope you will learn a lot from it, and I hope you will use it for your own purposes as long as they are on the legal side. So that's another thing I should mention. Basically, please don't use this for anything that's not legal, such as scanning targets you do not own, such as attacking targets you do not have permission to attack, or basically anything that doesn't go into the legal side. So that would be about it. Hope I see you in the next lecture, where I will show you how you can download VirtualBox, the newest version, and Kali Linux 2019.8 version, or .a version, pardon me. So, hope you enjoyed this introductory video, and I hope I see you in the next one. Bye!